Welcome to our backyard. Today I'm going to be looking at this deck box. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the package, put it together for you, demo it for you, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. All right, so I have all of the pieces laid out. I took them out of the box and put them into a large area to make it easier to assemble. I have all of the hardware and small pieces here, the instruction manual, and then each of these sections separated by letter. It's really nice because they label them by letter and there is an arrow showing which way goes up. The box is extremely heavy, so I just left it in the garage and then took all of the pieces out and laid them out onto the pool deck. It made this process much easier. You're going to assemble the bottom first and then the sides. A second set of hands would be helpful here. I didn't have a second set of hands, so I did do it by myself. It is possible to do it solo. They do not include any tools, so you will need a screwdriver or a drill for this. I found the drill to be much easier than the screwdriver. For some of the assembly, a rubber mallet would be helpful as well. I didn't have one, so I just kind of, knocked it on the ground when I needed to snap the pieces into place, but a rubber mallet would be helpful. The instructions were very easy to follow. Overall, it took me alone about an hour to put this together. That includes the time it took me to open the box and lay everything out on the pool deck. To attach the hydraulic hinges, you do have to open them in order to attach them to the lid. So this is the deck box, and you can see that it does come with a latch, so you can lock this if you would like to. It doesn't come with a lock, but it does come with a latch. It comes with hydraulic hinges. These are not soft close, however. It does make a noise when it closes, but I love how the lid opens automatically. It does have a removable separator. You can leave this in or take this out. You can also put this, on other sections. So there's a spot for this separator here. So say you just wanted the separator to cut off, a quarter. You could move it there. You could take it out completely. You could move it to the left side because there's a slot for it there, or you could put it in the center. It does have 2 drain plugs. In the event that there's water inside, you can drain it by just pulling those drain plugs. This is a 180-gallon storage container, so it is quite large. It would work great for pool supplies. We are actually going to use it for tools because we don't have a shed, so we're going to put some tools in here.